So issue la ubaba uthengisela ifamily. So and then thina office yayimasipala usesisithi uzayicontest because ngapha family to know abakunikeza ama-notice nini ababe ama-court naletha nini but that is the family matter sathola asikambethi mari biza mnisi so anisilungise indaba zala because if ubhalisa RDP what the owner beneficiary if athengisa the owner responsible and enye futhi responsible fanele wazi ukuthi responsible ayisho ukuthi indawo yakho isho ukuthi responsible for account that's all so issue la funeka ubaba uthengisela ifamily njani so and then thina office yayimasipala or council the more kungena court magistrate asi-contest into njalo ifuna yena umnikazi usesikuku uzoyi-contest so fanele contest kamthetho because whatever happening uzaba ama-arrest so asifuni into njalo so enye futhi-ke funa uyiqinisele siyayazi lama-issue aqale la abaningi bayabakhipha ingalo kunalo samnikeza indawo sewakhile ngalo nomuzi wenze njalo but usesisithi uzayi-contesta because ngapha family to know abakunikeza ama-notice nini whatever babe ama-court naletha nini but that is the family matters and futhi bayahlobana kahle so yabona sebahlobana abantu belayini and ba-difficulty but badwana mphakathi siyavumelana ukuthi akune-issue vana sibambane but sometimes asithole i-issue ukuthi ihamba njani so sebakuboni because whatever thina sihamba kwabakuboni kuzogijima eveni ngala maforum iyagijima eveni and
mob justice
is very dangerous because ayicetha la ngeke sihambe sonke sizobamba lo yabona so kucela sibambene ama-issue e-station 10 ngiyakhumbula kahle nginamalaji sathi sifika sami esinikeza umuntu title deed sathola asikambethe mari biza umnisi so fanele silungise indaba zala because if ubhalisa RDP what the owner beneficiary if athengisa the owner kusasa sakutshela yona beneficiary the time uthi ufuna RDP uLejosi or Limpopo uyakhuluma ukuthi wena ikhansela yakho nayo futhi uthi la system number bani ngeke sokunikeza RDP go there because ushonile yakhuluma uzoza contest and contest sena some advice you go to court and magistrate azokukhipha ama-sheriff yabona so cala lebhekeni for now izane ngithi selincedeni and it's simple if umunikazi asaphila and ayidlule 10,000 you go to the lawyer because thina si-change mina ku-council change the lawyer and then we change because ifuna mali so silungisene le issue because nazo sivama and remember like 10 abazali bashonile so kune-back balance phezulu kwa-back balance lesilwangayo so cala lebhekeni because kusasa isesekhele ecale lapha yacala kuphi so this issue siyabe 7 la ekhaya babanye baphuma kahle because sayilungisa simikisa ngalo ku-human settlement uthi yakune-style somewhere sibancede babanye alibazi thina sibancedile babanye baphumile but be careful about this issue ikavela kuwe and ibuhlungu so abana leyo kuyena magistrate ayifuna ikhansela siza lapha because siyamazi senzani sithi yabona but sometimes asiveli siyasaba nathi because umthetho sign oath to lead the community kahle so unokuthula uthi izimpahla ngapha bazozama ukubheka and then sibone ukuthi sesimnceda kanjani ba-human settlement bakhona kule zinto sizibiza ama-walk-in nema-special basayithatha bayimasipala ku-human settlement ukhansela nikeza umuntu usidane sithatha lento ese-special and then sayidila nayo ukuthi if unesidane somewhere siyamnikeza if wasifuna but then oza contest if ufuna contest thina we allow ukuthi simeze special case amnikeze isidane if unikeza but then if contesta indlu ababakhe shito tola bheni no siyabona
so impahla zakhe ugugu uzova zibekela ekhaya ne so lanka ngathi usafuna ucontest acala or kanjani thina sizozwa ngayo if yena akayi-contest thina sinabumamabuza sizozama ukuthi siyakamasipala bamenzwe i-special case angisho siyavumelana Okay, ngicela ningabahlukumezi ke.
Abenze ngaphambili isipolisi.
Ngicela kuye bazoxolisa kuyana.
Abenze ngaphambili isipolisi besingayazi indaba.
Mabezixolisana. Cause la bantu nizohlala nabo ngisho. Siyadingana ngisho. Bazoba bomakhelwane bethu ngisho.
Ngesikhathi esirong abavelanga
Ninjani? Siyaxolisa indaba besingayazi. Besingayazi sifike sathola isibhamu thina. Mina ngiyaxolisa sikhulumela mina.
Khulumele sini.
Khulumela umphakathi wonke.
Mina ngikhulumela mina.
Hayi wena.
When we figure out, it was not in the good manner. So nisithole amaphaphu aphezulu. So ngendlela nathi ethe ngayo was wrong. In which nani ni ethe ngendlela e-wrong. Sakhuluma.
Siyaxolisa ba.
I'm not talking, Madam Kuluma, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to
please address me in a proper manner.
I'm addressing you.
Okay, guys,
Yeah,